Once you've created a Gaussian splatting scene, you can not only view it from all angles, but also render images, change the background, or create fly-through animations. That's why I'll show you how to render images and animate videos from your Gaussian splatting scenes directly in the browser with custom resolution and of course watermark free. To start, make sure you're signed into your Splatware account and inside your workspace. Once you've already created a project by uploading your Gaussian splatting scene or training it directly with Splatware, you can switch to the Photo and Video Studio tool in the menu on the left. Here you can see all your projects. To open a project inside the studio, simply hover over it and click the View icon. This opens your model inside the studio interface. Let's start by rendering an image from the Gaussian splatting scene. Capturing an image is as simple as choosing the ideal camera position, selecting the desired format, and clicking the Capture Photo button at the bottom center. All images are downloaded directly to your local device. This works on desktop, smartphone, and VR. You can preview how your image will look in the small preview window. If your desired resolution is not available in the large resolution presets, you can manually adjust the width and the height using the input fields right here. In the left side menu, you can further enhance the images by manually changing the background of your scene that appears in the render. You can set it to a single color, a gradient, or even your own background image. In the right side menu, you will find the studio settings. Here you can select the image format, view and adjust the camera position and orientation, change the focal length, or reduce the scale of the Gaussian splats in the scene. To animate and render full videos from your Gaussian splats, switch to the Create Animation mode in the left panel. All background settings remain active and can be adjusted at the time by switching back. This mode allows you to create an animation path through your scene which you can later render into a video. To create the animation path, move your camera to the first position where you want your animation to start and click the button Create Animation. This creates the first keyframe. By moving the camera to another position and clicking Add Keyframe, you can manually build the animation path. Zooming out slightly makes the path more visible in the preview window and improves orientation. If you're not happy with the animation path, you can manually edit or remove individual keyframes. Before rendering, make sure to preview the animation by clicking the play button to see exactly how the final video will look. Of course, you can also choose a custom resolution, adjust the camera's focal length, and change the Gaussian splat scale. Additionally, you can control the video duration and even adjust the frame rate. To render the video, click the Render Video button. The rendering progress will be shown directly. Depending on your local hardware and the selected resolution, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Once rendering is complete, the video is automatically downloaded to your local device, so you can access it right away. Keep in mind that we are continuously updating the studio and adding new features for both photo and video rendering. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to visit splatware.com to train, host and edit your Gaussian splatting scenes.